able to get to restaurant with your beloved ones? No problem. I'm here to teach you how to make it at home and enjoy with your beloved ones. Also, you can eat as much as you want. Let's go. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a super delicious and super easy apple pie at home and enjoy with your beloved ones. Let's go. Now I want to show you how to make the apple pie crust. We need flour that we have it here. First of all, we need to crack this egg and a little bit lime zest. Also, we need sugar, but instead of sugar, I'm using stevia, which is more healthier and it's so suitable for someone who has diabetes. We are whisking all ingredients together. Now it's time to add our flour. We need 2 cups of flour. We add gradually.
Cheers.
Again, we whisk it, all ingredients together, like this. Same as sands. Look. What are you doing exactly there? Another cup of flour. And here we are mixing all ingredients with spoon. In this step, we should add our cold butter. Please pay attention, it must be cold butter because our crust of pie must be crunchy, same as crunchy. We have our butter. We need, I think, for this flour, we need 50 grams or 60 grams is enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 60 grams is till here because we have 10 gram divided here on top of this butter. This is 60 grams. Butters, same as cubes. Pay attention, it must be salt-free or unsalted butter for our crust. And again, with spoon, we can mix all ingredients together. We want to mix all ingredients with our finger toe. Look here, not with our palm. Look at the texture, it's same as sands. And now it's time to add a pinch of pink salt. That's it. That's enough. Look at the texture. This is our favorite textures that we want. Look. Now it's time to add cold water gradually. First we add from 2 spoons, 3 spoons, and after that, if it wasn't sufficient, we can add more. And we mix. We should collect our dough. I think the mixture of our dough is enough because if I mix it so much, that butter will be melting and our dough will be damaged. I think that's enough. After that, I will show you how to put it in fridge. Well, our dough is ready. Now it's time to put in zipper bag, zipper plastic, to rest it in fridge for 2 hours, and after that, I will show you. I will put it here, and with the roller, I can open up this dough. I close the zipper bag. This is our dough. I put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Okay, this is the next step that we want to chop our apples for filling of apple pie. Gimme. I forgot. These we are filling up our apples. I'm adding to our pan with little bit lime, stevia. Also, I'm adding a little of cinnamon. A bit butter, 5 grams is enough. Now it's time to put my dough inside of my mold. Well, I take it back from the fridge. Now I want to little bit open up with this roller. After that, put it in my mold. Jaina! We put our mold here and open up this dough inside of this mold like this. Our result. It prevents become bubbling of our dough and more beautiful. And put it back to refrigerator for 5 minutes because it has butter. I save it like this. Open it back. Put it aside. For the topping of our apple pie crust, we need flour and butter. That's it. 1 big spoon of flour. Like this texture. Like this. It's gonna be so delicious. 1/4 cup sugar. 2 teaspoons of sugars. Again, we put it in fridge. We put this paper inside of our dough, and we have this lentil. That's enough. And we put it in oven. I forgot to show you. Our apple, cinnamon and stevia is ready. Just we should filling inside of the crust and put it back to the oven, and let's see the result. Well, now it's time to take back our dough from the oven and fill it inside. As you can see, now I just want to fill it with these apples. After filling of this pie with our apples, we should put the dough. We should put the flour with butter. This is our flour, and we should put here. All the surface. Ta-da! 150 centigrade, 30 minutes, both sides. This is the result of hard working because of you. Because of you. I want to show you what is inside of that, the why. Wow! You can serve with ice cream, with cream and whatever you want. This is keto ice cream, sugar-free and dairy-free for someone who wants to have a healthy lifestyle. And also we want to serve this ice cream with our apple pie. Instead of paying a lot, for example $20 for one piece of this pie, you can eat a lot of pieces instead of that at home with your beloved one. And a touch of cinnamon. I love you so much.